Hey, good morning guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Johnny, owner of Bermuda Grass Lawn Care, and this beautiful 72 degrees today, and I'm going to put down my first application of the year to my backyard. And if you are new to the channel, I have Bermuda grass and it's common Bermuda. So this year I'm going to take you through the journey of me trying to improve my grass. I'm going to overseed it with something a little bit better. Just show you, what I do. So follow me into this journey. So this year I'm going to use the guidance of the Yard Mastery app, and I'll put a link in the description. And this app gives you the whole shebang. And again, I'll give you a link, guys, so you can read through it. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but it tells you your soil temperature. Right now my soil temperature is 71 degrees, and I did my soil test. And this is my soil test, and what they recommended was to apply the stress blend fertilizer, which is a 7020. This fertilizer is high in potassium, great support for your grass this time of the year. Also contains Bionite for the soil, and I will explain a little bit more throughout the application process. But yeah, just check it out, guys. I'll leave a link, like I said before, in the video description. It tells you exactly when to apply, what to apply, how to purchase. You can go straight to the store and purchase, and I will have a link in this video description. Okay, so yeah, let's keep it moving. So this year I'm going to be using the Yard Mastery program, and I'm also going to be using the Simple Lawn Solution program as well. And I'm going to be using homeowner tools. This way, as a homeowner, you can see exactly how easy the process is to maintain your lawn. I'm not going to be the one that goes too deep into weight application rates. What I will tell you is please follow the direction on the product and spread it accordingly to your type of turf and take it from there. I like things simple. I stated with the Simple Lawn Solution, guys, you're going to see, because I'm going to be using it on my channel. You hook it up to a container, to your hose, and you apply it. Simple lawn solution, simple. When it comes to the Yard Mastery, they have an app that tells you exactly what product to apply and when to apply it. And the bag is simple to read. It gives you your spreader application rate right here on the bag. I have the Scott Elite, which is 5.25, and if you have any other spreader, is right here. This is a QR code that you can utilize to download the app, and it tells you best time to apply for cool season lawns and warm season lawns. So yeah, this is what I'm using, and I'm using a Scott spreader that you can purchase in any big box store. And let's get to applying. So as it states on the bag, my spreader should be at 5.25 and 5.25 right there, and that is my rate. I'm using an 18-pound bag because it covers 6,000 square feet, and you can also buy the bigger bag if you want to. And my backyard is 2,700 square feet, and my front yard is 3,000 square feet. So this bag is exactly what I need. And guys, just in case you didn't know, this is an American small business, so make sure you support it. And there you go, it's all empty. So what we're gonna do now is turn on our sprinkler system and wash it in. So for that, I have my Rain Bird system and I hit it on run, and we should be seeing the sprinklers come on. And here we are. That is it. That's my first application. Guys, make sure that you read the directions of application, and it also states that you have to blow off the excess granules off your cement to minimize the staining. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. See you on the next one. Hope that you enjoyed this. Leave any questions in the comment section. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.